In Bali, the people say union of water and rice provide them with all the need for wealth and life end. It is our hope that union between Emily and Ghaith will be like a union of water and rice and be the least most satisfaction. At this moment, when standing before the beautiful place, Emily and Ghaith will exchange your vows and commitment to one another. This celebration is not only for joining the heart, but also for joining of the two families. I will ask you a question. Do you choose Emily to be your wife? Do you promise to love her unconditionally, respect her as equal, accepting her is the sharing joy as well as sorrow, triumph, so well as defeat? And do you plan to keep her beside you as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Emily, do you take Ghaith to be your husband? Do you promise to love him unconditionally, respect him as equal, accepting him she is, sharing joy as well as sorrow, triumph as well as defeat? And do you plan to keep him beside you as long as you both shall live?
I do.
I was born in a town full of red pine trees. County sign says follow your dreams. Westbound train makes the whole town shake. Friday night lights decide your fate. I'm born again in a church where the steeple's wide. Preacher preached Book of John and my mama cried. And meaning of life was in verse 2. Didn't make sense till I found you. I could search the world from south to north, but I already found what I'm looking for. Wherever I go and whatever I do, I was born to love you. I was born to love you. Looking in your eyes, yeah, it's all so clear. Every time you smile, I know why I'm here. Wherever I go and whatever I do, I was born to love you. I was born to love you.
Beautiful Emily, my soulmate. I vow to you my unbreakable love. I vow to be your rock, today and every day. I vow to be grateful for every day I share with you, and to always encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I vow to you a lifetime of love, and a life built on trust. I vow to be your partner in all things, to be both your teacher and student. I vow to be faithful and to walk with you, hand in hand, no matter where life leads us. I vow to you that you will never have to face the world alone. I vow to you my eternal love.
Ghaith to be my husband. Through the years, we have faced many obstacles that have helped us build a strong foundation of our relationship. I knew I found the one when I realized you are a better person than me. The way you are able to remain calm in difficult situations puts my heart at ease. Your patience is greatly appreciated. In you, I found a partner for life, a best friend, a safe place, and someone I could be most vulnerable with. In you, I found someone who inspires me, who supports me in my decisions, and respects me. With you, I know I will never have to face anything on my own. Thank you for embracing all of the parts that make me me. I promise to encourage you to follow your dreams, no matter how big or small. I promise to love you unconditionally and always put you first. Our journey as a family has only just begun, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds. Ghaith, you are the person I choose to spend forever with. I vow to love you forever. I love you forever.
Today we have witnessed to deep your love and symbolizing by giving and receiving of the rings. And therefore, today I declare that Emily and Ghaith are, from this moment on, you are husband and wife.